Hey guys, Sheep here, and in this video we're going to look at how to make a Navbar in Adobe XD for the web project. So we're going to not focus on the web design and all those stuff. We're going to particularly focus on only Navbar. So let's just open the Adobe XD and click on web. So now we need to make this as main. Again, we're going to not focus on the web pages, the background. We just can focus on Navbar. Let's just click on it and let's just get a background, a decent background. Let this be here. Now I'm gonna adjust it. You can get any type of background that you want. Okay, now it looks good. Now we're gonna get tangle for our Navbar. Let this be like here. Okay, that's great. Let's get rounded edges. Click on here for rounded edges. Okay, now we're going to lower the opacity up to 25. Now we're going to add a logo. Now again, you can add any sort of logo that you want, but just for the tutorial purpose, I'm going to create a simple logo. Can make it round edges. Now let's just place it on the top left side. Now I'm gonna name my logo as scenery. Let me name the scenery. Let me change the font size and font color as well. Let me get this white and the font size. Let this get all capital. Let's just increase the font size to 35. Now we can fit it. So we're going to create all those sort of menus, whether it is home, about, contact. So let's just create a text boxes. Adjust a text box. We're gonna get these all sort of pages in same level. Shift this a little bit. Now we can get this all text on the Navbar. Let me adjust this. Okay, now it looks great. Now we're gonna get a search bar for our Navbar. Let's just get a search bar. Before that, let's just shift this a little bit towards the right. Okay, now we're gonna get a rectangle one more time. Now we're gonna get the round edges. And let's just make the opacity to 10, just because this is a search bar. Let's place this over here. Let's adjust this. Now we're gonna type search. Now we're going to place this text on our search bar here. Okay, now it looks great. It looks perfect. It looks great. It looks simple and it is transparent as well. So you can try it if you want it, and you can try with another background layers as well. I've just made this tutorial for your understanding. So that's it for this video. If you liked the video, then please hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.